In front of me is TECNO Spark 20C, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Start by launching Gallery app. Following that, click on Photos or Albums at the bottom. When you're ready, locate all of your photos that you wish to delete and hold the chosen one. Now to pick multiple right away, use this icon of a square at the top right corner. If you want to keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones. Then to delete the rest, click on Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!